This is the iPhone. How to mirror the vertical portrait mode screen into your TV monitor. We will add the Lightning to AV adapter, connect it, and connect to the HDMI cable. But you will see the black area. How do we let the TV monitor show the full screen vertical mode like this one? This is what you want. You just turn the TV monitor into 90 degrees. iPhone vertical portrait mode mirror to TV monitor. I will let the Enter Mini Pro be the vertical portrait mode live streaming. Channel 1 I will add the Sony camcorder. The channel 2 I will add the iPhone full screen video. For the topic 1, I will show you how to let the iPhone be full screen mirror to the TV monitor. This adapter have 3 connectors. One is a DC 5 voltage. The second is a USB-A connector. The third is HDMI output. If you use the iPhone, please prepare the Lightning to USB-A charge cable. Connect the Lightning cable to this adapter, USB-A, and connect the power, DC 5 voltage, and finally connect the HDMI output. You see, the iPhone will be mirrored to the TV monitor for the vertical mode. Okay, you show the portrait mode, and turn the TV monitor be 90 degrees. It also have a video and audio together.
Hold on, don't shout at me. If you catch it,
This is iOS HDMI capture card. Topic 2, I will add it to the Enter Mini Pro. Channel 1, I added the camcorder. And I turn the camcorder 90 degrees. And channel 2, I connect to the iPhone. And then connect to the TV. Enter Mini Pro show the vertical portrait mode. Channel 1 is Sony camcorder. Channel 2 is vertical iPhone and the full screen. And you also have audio. This is iOS HDMI capture card. Use this idea, I also show you how to do the Instagram Live. This is a special design Android tablet. It do not have the internal front-end camera and the backup camera. We use the external HDMI 1 and the HDMI 2 to replace the internal camera. For the backup camera, we use the HDMI 2 to replace backup camera. And it also have a wire Ethernet. Now, I want to use the Android tablet to do the Instagram Live. I will use the backup camera, connect the Ethernet, and connect the HDMI source. It is very interesting. If we use the Apple Lightning to AV HDMI adapter, what will be happen? Connect it, and HDMI, and I turn on the Instagram Live, and I do the live streaming. Live. You see, the video is not vertical, so we cannot use the Lightning to AV adapter. I will use this one. This is a Fairborn full screen vertical mirror adapter. Okay, HDMI cable connect to this adapter, and the Lightning cable connect to this iPhone. And I will turn on the Instagram Live again. Yes, it is a full screen. Of course, we also can add a camcorder. This is a camcorder. If you want to switch the video, camcorder, and the iPhone, you can add the Enter Mini Pro video switcher, HDMI output, connect to this one, And the iPhone video connect to the channel 2. Camcorder connect to the channel 1. Yes, the video is from the Enter Mini Pro. Channel 1 is camcorder, channel 2 is iPhone. Okay, we can do the live training. Live. Switch to the channel 1 and the audio turn on. Yes. When you do the live training, you can switch the channel. Okay, we can see the live training. Yes. Instagram Live with the Enter Mini Pro. When you use the full screen mirror adapter, you can let the any Android phone or iPhone or iPad mirror to your TV monitor be full screen. iPad vertical mode mirror to your TV full screen. And you can connect your Enter Mini Pro. Channel 1 is camcorder, channel 2 is iPhone, and the screen is full screen.